my people living especially in the border with Assam, in the border with Bangladesh, I tell you till today, they don't feel safe at all. They feel very threatened. And what is even sad is that the lands have been taken away from them. They've lost their livelihood. Why? Because of the failure of subsequent governments to settle this dispute, which has been there for many, many years. The Prime Minister himself will take the lead in putting an end to this long pending issue in the interests of our great nation in general and in the interests of my people, especially those living in the border areas.
Tim ki bakordor kumaon dangdon sa kumalais pa sa punyong kali ismi ki bangin hapan ya yaw liu snam ar hajar ar konriu akunta kajing kali nagranta jonga jongpi kalom kum ukrasan kum pakistan kum nongin embat kum nongin ya yakini kismi ki brangsa jong uliu snam obathamai ngap pentamau yang ini yagi kentin jong pol kabuom namar yang aban kalau mo Chris bat banyak kalong kajimentoy para pamit para kaniya kali kebenta na kaktin kajumublay ka mga khot mga tentu yang ilang hagan kapor ay bakini ki shispa laispa sapunyo kali ki sngi jong lusnam kawe ko ikasngi kalong kasngi kamangin om tumang pol namari na ban kalong Chris bat banyak kalong kajimentoy swaban koy shikimat ki mga donya kawan pensmo hapeng jongi kani kapor nakwa ban ginya usan bat niya bersang pan nganbo igi jingkli bat igi jubab aswa bangin poi syakimat ki bakong san kaban ka baning kong ka kwa ya kaban bo ka jingkli hagan ka por kalong uwe brio lo ni ka brio uwe mga hani bayan mangi hangi ka badan hangi ngilong uwe ngilong ka nyai ngo ba kaktin ka jumublay kapan ka mau yang abajapi ba yang abajapi ong kaktin ka jumublay lathau agadur ka jumublay Kitab Genesis lemang
Samlah